Let's cut straight to the technicals. Jasmy has been trapped inside a relentless descending channel for weeks, maybe even months, making lower highs and lower lows, draining momentum and exhausting holders. But as of today, that pattern just snapped. Price is broken cleanly above the upper channel boundary, a structure that's acted like a glass ceiling since mid-June. This isn't just noise, it's a technical breakout, and those familiar with these setups know what typically follows: a short-term pullback, followed by a vertical leg higher. Now let's talk resistance. The market loves round numbers and historical rejections, and in Jasmy's case, that number is $0.018. This level is more than just a psychological magnet, it was the precise rejection point during Jasmy's last attempted bounce back in May. If bulls can push price through this zone and close above it on the 4H or daily time frame, it signals something much bigger, a trend reversal, not just a relief rally. Let's rewind to previous posts here on TJ Crypto World, where we highlighted the accumulation zone for Jasmy between $0.0125 and $0.016. Guess what? That's exactly where Jasmy is trading right now, and it's flashing green for disciplined DCA entries. If you're new to this term, DCA, dollar cost averaging, is a strategy where you buy at multiple levels instead of going all in at one price. Right now, Jasmy is deep inside that accumulation pocket. Buying at these levels isn't FOMO, it's strategic entry while sentiment is still cold and fear-driven. If this kind of clear, no-hype breakdown is the content you need, slam the like button and subscribe to TJ Crypto World right now. We go deep into high-conviction setups, live market psychology, and unfiltered risk assessments. You won't get fluff here, just facts. Tonight's wildcard, the FOMC interest rate decision. This is no small detail, it's the single biggest macro trigger for short-term volatility in the entire crypto market. If the Fed drops a surprise, hawkish or dovish, it'll send shockwaves. We could see massive fake-outs, wicks, and liquidation hunts. That's why it's critical to zoom out and stay focused on the structure. Even if we get a sudden wick down to $0.015 or lower, as long as the breakout trend line holds, bulls remain in control. Zooming out to the daily chart, Jasmy is still a microcap compared to other Layer 1 or IoT-based tokens. With a current market cap under $100 million, any decent influx of volume can spike price violently. Pair that with the fact that it's been grinding down while BTC and ETH have been bullish, and you have the setup for what some call a spring-loaded chart, when a compressed asset suddenly explodes after a breakout. This means any move above $0.018 could send Jasmy flying to $0.021, then $0.025, with short-term targets already being plotted by institutional bots and quant desks. Look, we're bullish here at TJ Crypto World, but we're not reckless. Every trade, every entry, needs a clear invalidation level. For Jasmy, if price re-enters the downtrend channel and closes below $0.0145, that's a red flag. It means bulls lost control and a retest of $0.012 is possible. That's why DCA makes sense in these zones, because you're not relying on a moonshot. You're building a position through structure and logic, not hopium. So let's sum it up. Jasmy has just broken out of a confirmed downtrend channel. It's facing major resistance at $0.018, but if it clears that, we could see a trend reversal and strong momentum returns. This is also happening as we approach high-stakes FOMC volatility, so timing matters. Use structure, use stops. And most importantly, stay ahead of the retail herd. If you gained value from this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone still stuck in the fog of meme coins and influencer hype. And if you're looking for your next edge, watch this video right here. Top 3 altcoins with silent accumulation patterns you're missing. The charts don't lie, you just need to know where to look. Thanks for watching TJ Crypto World, where the signals come with receipts. Stay sharp, stay patient, and I'll see you in the next video.